DemiDiVine. Work to bring the 14 back. Work to move ass like that.
One frequency, infinite forms. My name is DemiDiVine, and today I'd like to take you guys into the behind the scenes of my most recent song called Shake It. This song is literally a high energy party booty clapping song. Simple as that. That's the only way I could describe what I wanted from this. This song came to me because I went to events like this in college. Due to all I think the energy at events like that is fun and something that people should be a part of. You know, maybe you shouldn't live that life full time, but you should definitely have some fun. You know, life should be a little bit of a party. And this song really is just a yam song. It was once I got the idea that I was gonna make a twerk song, I was about to think about and listen to "Blow the Whistle" by Too Short. And that song, something about the way the bass is driving, just, you know, it's like ear candy. And, you know, songs that sample it, like Tap In by Saweetie. Both of those songs sound really good because of the way that rhythmic pattern is. And I mean, there's other elements too, of course, the performers and such. But that beat is really what gets the people rocking with you at first. For like sound design, and that was when I was led to Wannabe, Glorilla, Megan Thee Stallion, sometimes Cardi B. The music video was perfectly what I meant when I was like college party. You know, they nailed the aesthetic, they nailed the video. If you've seen the video, it speaks for itself. Subsequently, I was led to like an era I was too young for, which was pajama jams and stuff. I grew up in Las Vegas, so like they used to host parties and have all these big events, and there's a group called 99%, and they have a bunch of yike music, you know, and I was really brought to that era and that energy of like people just having fun at parties before stuff got serious one day. I don't know what happened. And so I made a song called Shake It, inspired by the energy of my friends at parties and, you know, how life should be at times. This video, I'll be showing you guys how I produced the song, how I made the artwork, or more or less how I made the artwork, what it takes to upload a song sometimes, just how much effort I put into the song because I feel like I should share that. And if you like stuff like this, like stuff like this. Simply, without further ado, the rest of the video. I make my beats in GarageBand, and it always, every time I open it. This is what it looks like when it opens the right way, so let's get right into it. First things first, this is a mix, not a master, so it's going to be pretty quiet. And a mix is really just about getting the sounds balanced amongst themselves. You just want to go for how you want the song to sound. This part is called the beat meat. That's what I like to call it because this is the fullest part of the sound, the thickest part of the sound, the meat of the beat. Right here, you want the vocals to support the beat more so than try to be overpowering. Another one. That's how you know it's fire. I ended up getting a haircut while recording, so you like the fit. Couture de garbage. Booty about to fall for you. Look, booty probably paying tricks. No way you got in ass like this. Throw it back, slow-mo matrix. So this is what I do to my vocals to process them. The doubler is what really stands out here, and I just love using a doubler. It gives it that full sound. I had to stop the audio here because I just felt like it was too much of the words. It's a short song. After all that, I run it through my GarageBand Send, which is just another track. And it should glue it all together, and that's how I do my vocals. The master is where you get the music as loud as everybody else's. This one is the performance, so you don't hear me rapping on it for real. The standout plugin on this master track for me would be the Kramer tape. Listen to the difference right there. And then turning it back on. Nah. Boom. And that's pretty much it on how I make the song. And that's what it sounds like without all the mastering. And boom, add it all back in. And this is how I get my music on all streaming platforms. My distributor is Just Your Kid, and it costs $35 a year. I like to add my lyrics right at the end, and usually I can click the AI, but guess what? On that note, I'd like to end with what type of songs this would be playlisted with. Like I said in the beginning, this is a twerk song. That's what it was for. Songs like Act Up by the City Girls, Tap In Saweetie, Blow the Whistle, Dance Ass Big Sean, Red Nose, Chase the Thing like Glow, Megan, Sexy, Moneybag Yo, that type of stuff. Just a party, really. Deli by Ice Spice is a good fit too. I like that song. I forgot to show the artwork. So artwork speed run. Boom, 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 done. But yeah, once again, guys, if you like stuff like this, and my name's DemiDiVine.